IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. What qualities do you value most in a friend? Band 5 answer.
I think honesty is important. A friend should be honest because then we can trust each other. I also like if my friend is funny.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic ideas, but limited development. Lexical resource. Common words, few collocations. Grammar. Simple structures with errors likely. Pronunciation. Understandable, but may lack rhythm. Typical of a band 5. Speaks understandably, but lacks range and depth. 7.5 answer.
I really value honesty and loyalty in a friend. It's essential to have someone you can rely on, especially when things get tough. I also appreciate a good sense of humor. It makes every moment more enjoyable.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth flow and well-linked ideas. Lexical resource. Good range. Rely on. Sense of humor. Essential. Grammar. Complex sentences with high accuracy. Pronunciation. Natural and clear. Typical of a band 7.5. Speaks confidently with good control of language. Band 9 answer.
What I value most in a friend is authenticity. I admire people who are genuine and who stand by you through thick and thin. A friend who can both challenge your ideas and support your dreams is truly invaluable.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, cohesive, and nuanced. Lexical resource. Sophisticated and precise vocabulary. Authenticity. Genuine, invaluable. Grammar. Perfectly controlled complex sentences. Pronunciation. Natural stress and intonation throughout. Typical of a band 9. Fully natural, native-like delivery with depth and range. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.